Hey folks, it's me, AL Automotive Reviews in the house. Guess what? No two Mavericks are gonna look alike, folks. Ain't none gonna be the same, and this is due to personalization. Check out the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Until then, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep living life. And hey, we're gonna get our Mavericks soon. Much love. No two Mavericks will look the same. Now, the Ford Maverick was revealed recently and has been impressing and putting an image on us that's just awesome, folks. I mean, Ford has changed the game. Now, this pickup is going to be easy on the fuel and has knocked out big rivals such as the Hyundai Santa Cruz on more than one occasion. Now, the trucks has not yet been on the streets of dealers' floors. Now, that must mean that it's going to be one dang good truck. Now, straight from the factory. And that's straight from the factory. But buyers are going to want to be able to personalize it. They want to make it theirs, which is going to make it awesome. They want to make these vehicles look awesome. In other words, pimp my truck. Now, fortunately, Ford knows this, and they're going to capitalize on this, which is a good thing, which means these accessories are going to be made perfect because it's going to fit the whole quality of the vehicle. And Ford knows this, and now as always, just with the Bronco, they're going to offer ways to enhance this product. Now, the Blue Oval promised that it will be offering more parts and accessories for the Maverick. And now we get a sneak peek on what to expect, which is awesome. Now, a new list is coming for the Maverick and has been brought to the light by the Maverick Truck Club. And reportedly comes through a Ford dealer service portal. So let's look into this and let's dive into this and see what kind of items they're going to have. Now, Thule, known as THULE, will be providing a small, large, and an extra large cargo box for the roof, as well as roof-mounted paddle boards and carriers and cargo baskets. Now, other items from the Thule include a canoe carrier, a kayak carrier, a hitch-mounted bike carrier, and an upright roof carrier for bikes too. More accessories available include jump starters, a varying amperage range, light brackets, retractable awnings, paddle holders, mud flaps, and more cargo storage solutions, which is nice. Now, about the interior, nothing's mentioned yet, but you can look forward to a front and rear-facing dash cameras, including one of the infrared cameras. Now, also available is going to be the portable rear seat entertainment system by VOXX. Now, this mounts to the headrests of the front seats and have standalone tablet screens with Wi-Fi capability and cable routing for charging. Now, pricing for these accessories has not been revealed yet, and it has not been announced. Now, when these do go on sale, it can either be a majority of them they could be generic, and it should be simple, and it should fit easily. You can't expect to have huge pricing or long waits. I mean, this is just going to be awesome, folks. I mean, they're going to personalize this baby and make this truck yours. Now, every time you get a car, you want to personalize it. And when you personalize it, it gives it more value to you. Must we say emotional value, that is. And you're going to take that emotional value and take an awesome truck that starts off at $19,995 all the way up to $25,490. And I've heard people option it out to the tilt up to $34,000. But I also heard that there's going to be that people want a $40,000 first edition Maverick, which will be loaded, which hasn't been revealed yet by Ford, but I'm sure they're gonna have to come out with it, just like they did for the Bronco, the first edition, and just like they did for the Bronco Sport. So we all know it's coming. So we all just wondering what. So just keep your eyes open. I mean, we got an awesome truck with a beautiful exterior design, great performance, great fuel economy. Interior and cargo looks awesome. Infotainment and features are awesome. Reliability seems great. Ford is really made a solid product. Look at that bed of that truck. It just looks awesome, folks. Very strong. You can just put stuff back there. You ain't got to worry about nothing being scratched. And not only that, it's going to last a long time. Value for the money is just awesome. You got the XL, $19,995. You got the XL Hybrid, still $19,995. And you got the XLT Hybrid, $22,280. And you got the XLT, still $22,280. And then you have the Lariat, which is at $25,480. That lighting, and look at all the stuff you can just fit in the back. And look at that. I mean, say you get married with somebody you love, and you get you a nice truck like this, so you can build up the property, make it look nice, and at the same time, on days where you just want to chill and just kick it and have a drink, and of course you can't see the name, we can always think it's orange juice or orange soda, and you just chill out, you go canoeing. I mean, these are some of the accessories that you can get. And look at, I think it might be a dual accessory for the canoes, for the bed extender, that is. And then you have the interior just is magnificent in this SUV. I mean, places to put your tablet, places to put everything. This is just awesome, folks. You have the place for your sunglasses. You got the place for you got the room in the back. You got cup holder already mounted. You have everything just really nice. Again, you have the electric park brake. You have the awesome instrument cluster where you can go do drive modes. And not only that, but the person from the back seat is operating everything. This is something else, folks. This is just something else. And again, the backup camera, assist. You got the green lines, the yellow lines, the red lines when you know you need to stop. You have everything just made just right. This is awesome, folks. I mean, look at the bed lining in the back, and look at the doors, and look at this high quality, some of the best plastics that you can have that they put inside of this. You got the place where you can plug up your tablets and everything else, and this makes it awesome, folks. And it makes it fantastic. When the doors close and you got the place to put everything in, and everything is like Teutonic. I don't know, back in the day, remember when only Mercedes made Teutonic vehicles, and Mercedes and BMW, when you close those doors and it just was so tight? Well, guess what? Ford is doing it now, folks. Ford has made everything fit and finish from everything. Everything is tight and everything is strong. Even from the buttons and everything else, there's no big gaps from the power windows. Everything is just tight. And the way you control the mirrors, everything is like modulated. As you see, Ford has learned to put everything in modules. It's like when they put in the controls for the mirrors, everything is modulated. So it just clicks right in place, and then everything is just made just right. And it's just so nice the way they do it. It's just awesome, folks. They do it for the whole truck, and it's just so solid and so refined. And that's why when they do come out with accessories, it's going to look so awesome, because the accessories are going to be in the same kind of engineering and the same kind of quality, quality products and everything else is going to go into this pickup, which makes it just awesome. Even from the front lightings, everything about this is just awesome. So that's what's making it solid, and that's what's going to make it cool to accessorize and personalize. And the personalize with Ford is just going to make it awesome. To personalize it with the Ford products, because Ford is only going to approve products that fit their theoretical way of making awesome vehicle. Everything has to fit into their theme, and to getting these SUVs and getting their SUVs and their trucks and their pickups on the road. So they basically changed their whole way of doing things, which makes this an awesome vehicle. That's why the Maverick is awesome, folks. We're talking about ain't no two Mavericks gonna look alike because of personalization. People are gonna personalize their Mavericks to make them solid, to make them strong. They're gonna personalize them. They're gonna feel good about these. They're gonna feel good about these Mavericks, folks. More parts and accessories are gonna be offered, and all these companies are going to jump aboard. So we're going to see so much. I mean, the same thing that you see for the Broncos, the same thing that's going to carry over for the Ford Maverick. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.